Hello friends, welcome to Computer Vision. From how Tesla is doing in self-driving car to how iPhone can unlock itself by looking at you, the world around you is changing, and that change is being driven by computer vision. So we are going to learn about computer vision. This video will focus mainly on black pixels. What is it? What it is made up of? And we'll learn more about how computers create and save black pixels. So on this title, you see that video is getting played at 30 frames per second. The title is written in green color, but the pixels around it are written in black color. And we are going to learn how black pixels are stored on the computer. So we want to thank our sponsors, Kimavi and MyGuide. Do visit our sponsors at myguide.org and Kimavi.com. So we are going to learn about the black image. The black is 0. What does it mean? Everything on the computer is 0 and 1. We can store a pixel value on a 8-bit range from 0 to 255. If it is 0, that means it's a black color to humans, but 0 to computers. If it is 255, it could mean white to computers. No, it could mean white to humans and 255 to computers. So let's start with a very simple question. What a black image on computer is made up of? Let's go ahead and take a look at a black image. Are you guys ready? Let's see it. What do you see? Do you see anything? Or why don't we give it one more shot? Let's try one more time. Do we see anything? Looks like all we see is black. How are computers drawing this black screen? What is behind the scene going on? How are we giving instructions to computers that this frame is all black? Everything on inside this video right now is black, at least on the display screen. So all we see is black. What we see is black. What do computers see? Why don't we save the image as black.png and open it up on our computer inside a image editor where we can see images. So let's just open black.png on Mac, and here it is. So you see that computers are able to show us a black image. The gray boundary around it is due to the photo program where this image is being opened in. What is inside this image? What is this image made up of? This is a very important idea. If you can understand what is inside this image, you can understand computer vision. If you can understand how pixels are made up of, how pixels are created, you can find anything in the real world, whether it's a stop sign or whether it's another object on the freeway or whether it's a shopping cart where you can automatically bill a customer by just looking at objects, no need to scan. All of this is possible through computer vision. Let's open up this program, this image in a simple Python program. We are simply going to read the image using computer vision, and we are going to see what is inside that image using NumPy. And here is the program. What we see is black. What computers see is a lot of zeros. So you see here there are a whole bunch of zeros inside two square brackets. The zeros to computers means black to humans, right? Very simple idea. To draw a black pixels, just write number of zeros and let computers show it. But why do we have 3 zeros? We know that there are 3 core colors, red, green, and blue. By combining red, green, and blue, you can create any colors. Just try to combine red and green and see what color can you get. Try to combine green and red and you can get some other color like yellow or purple or blue. The blue is the primary color, but you can get other colors by combining these colors. So the 3 digits are for red, green, and blue, right? That's why we have. What about the square brackets? Why do we have square brackets? Because it's an array, right? Square brackets are for an array. Array is a collection of items. This video is running in HD resolution, which is 1080p So you have a 1920 pixels in terms of your width, and you have 1080p pixels in terms of height. So you have width and height and your pixels. Every pixel can be written in red, green and blue. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, these are written in pixels, and behind the scene there is RGB value. So what you see is yellow, there are numbers behind it like 22, 32, 22, whatever, something along those lines. Alright, so array is a collection of items. If I can identify a pixel with numbers, I can draw it and I can show it on the screen. So let's recap what we just learned. What we see as black, computers see as 0. Colors can be represented by combination of red, green and blue. Array is a collection of items, right? And finally, an image consists of numbers that computers can see and our computers can read and humans can see. So we learned about black image. Black is 0. What about white image? If it's a 8-bit image, 2 raised to the power 8 is 256. Computers read from 0 to 255. If the number is 255, will it become white pixel? So if I write something as 255, 255, 255 using NumPy array, save it as an image, display that image, will I see white pixel? Looks like you are getting excited. If you like numbers, if you like mathematics, you will learn computer vision. If you learn computer vision, you can create a self-driving car, or you can unlock your iPhone, or you can create a shopping cart where you never have to see the retailer. You just buy and walk out. That simple. Computer vision. All right. So we are going to learn about the power of 255, the white pixel, in the next video. And thank you for taking this course on learning computer vision. And we do want to thank our sponsors, Kimavi and MyGuide. Do visit our sponsors, myguide.org and kimavi.com. Thank you and have a good day.